Come make we worship him. Come make we dance and sing. Give thanks and praise to the King of Kings. Come make we worship him. Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders that Jesus and the disciples performed. We're building our faith. So come with me, build your faith. And if you want more people to build them faith, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one person that you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, you click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 28 from verse 1 to verse 10. Now, after Sabbath done, early Sunday morning, the first day of the week, come, Mary Magdalene and the next Mary go look upon the tomb. And all of a sudden, one wicked earthquake shake up the place. Cause one of God angel them come down from heaven and come roll with the stone and sit down upon it. Him did look bright like a lightning, and his clothes did white like snow. The guard them did so frightened them and shake in them bone. Them drop a ground and tip out like a dead. But the angel said to the woman them, say, not afraid. Me know say Jesus who know I look for. The one where they kill on the cross. You know there? Cause God make him come back alive. Just like when him did say, come, look which part him did a lay down. Then hurry up and go tell him follower them say, him dead and come back alive. Him a go to Galilee till you no come. You will see him there when you no reach. Me tell you no, when me did for tell you no. Listen what me say and do what me say you no for do. The woman them take off quick. Them frightened and glad same time. And them run go tell Jesus follow them. But Jesus meet them up and said to them, heal. Them come to him, bend down a ground, hold and pan him foot, and worship him. Then Jesus said to them, say, no afraid. Go and go tell me brother them, say, then can go to Galilee. Them will see me there. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.